And if I ever fall in love again. Sa magluto ko og lugaw, rice soup. Hello everyone. Normally, I like to eat ano ba to? I was gonna eat a I was gonna eat I cannot think what I'm going to say. uh, Oatmeal. My gosh, my brain was loading. Thank you guys for the support. Continue and love. I will fill up. I like to eat dried fish. Thank you everyone. Na, maon ni. Kaya naga multitask here again in my life. In my life, there is heartache and pain. I don't know. I'll take this with me. Shout out everyone. How do I look like? I did not comb my hair. I need to vacuum. A vacuum here, guys. Okay, I will get my vacuum. Excuse me, Ali. Excuse me, I will vacuum the floor. Excuse me. Excuse me. Did Daddy clean up your eye? So I'm going to clean up the floor. How's everyone doing? Are you guys happy? It's a happy holiday. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tiding to you. Oh, I like my it's matched like I'm a Christmas bathrobe. I will do some